So this is it, guys. That's the fish gallery aquarium installed. So I'm going to give you later how they do it. 8 feet aquarium. That's the color. I like it.
Okay. Follow. Aquí estamos, pero estamos metiendo la stand.
So that's the 8 feet. That's the stand, and then there's also cabinet here from the top. That's two color. This is the cabinet, and there's a drawer here, as you can see. See, there you can open it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 door. See, and this is going to be there at the side, and also here, back to back. See, this is 8 feet. So before we have 6 feet. So this is how big. This is the width, and this is the length, guys. So later going to show you how they installed. So this is the area I'm going to put this side to cover this dining. So that's the aquarium, as you can see. See how big it's 8 feet. So and then that's the trap for them. See guys how quality it is. It's very nice, right?
Vamos a subirlo aquí, ¿no? Sí, pero lo deslizamos ahí. Pasito.
Nomás lo cuadramos bien.
Ahí.
Ahí más o menos. Y un poco de este.
Agárralo tú si quieres, yo te lo pongo ahí. Para marcar el hoyo. Mira, tiene que ser como que levantado de aquí por las patitas.
Pero les voy a sacar una foto.
Sí.
Ahí que nos deja trabajar tú ahí mientras.
Okay.
So this is inside the aquarium. So there's also they're going to put something inside on this. The artificial plants. And this is the filter going here. So as you heard, they're going to put hole here. See? And then they're going to put in the also this one, there is one more in the top. So it's not like that aquarium, so we're going to put more in the top to go like the L shape. So continue watching, guys. This is complete unboxing installed for my living area. This is the filter they're using. 1,000, sir, this one, right? 1,000 gallon. See, this is the green one, only one. This is the filter inside. Stone they're going to put. See, a lot of stone, like tropical style aquarium. Big one, still hot. So there's more stone here. See?
Es que mira, esta la voy a
So
poner
they're
aquí.
putting the sand
Vamos a poner el
now.
conector aquí, acá conectamos la botella y hasta medio allá arriba.
Más cerca que se queda del hueco ahí.
Donde quede.
White sand, that's white
Ya no se
sand.
agüite por eso, man. Con tal de no quedarnos aquí. Work. Let's hold that one. Okay, that one is ready. This is the heater.
So you will set up the heater already, right?
Yeah, I put it on 80.
80, yeah, 80. Like the coil of
fine, or you need them more down?
80.
80, 81, I'm fine.
Yeah, it's good.
You know?
Yeah,
Okay. It's already set up or something.
yeah.
It's automatic on and off.
Yeah, because 85, it's very hot already for them.
Yeah.
80. 80 is the best.
80.
How about your previous aquarium?
I'm just 80.
Yeah, yeah.
79, 80.
Yeah,
79 to 82.
Yeah, 80. But in the previous aquarium, you do it 80 only. How about your previous aquarium you installed? You put 80?
80.
Okay, 80. 80 is the best.
Póngale todo, no se lleve nada. Allá abajo de la madera. Faltan algunas ahí para que se haga chido. Esta pipa tiene agujeros, güey.
No sirve. No lo puedo usar.
Ah, con esa que trajo completamos, yo creo.
No, pues si no, si se ven agujeros.
Sí, tiene un hoyo, la voy a usar.
So I did not put all the plants, artificial plants, because takoy are very playful. So that's only like that. So tropical style.
Yo creo que sí quedó.
Sí. Ok. Está muy larga esta mierda aquí. Vamos a poner esto aquí así. Okay. So this one was too long. I need to cut it out. Necesito la PVC cover, güey. Está tirada de aquel lado.
Oh, very good, very fast cutting.
Mm-hmm.
It's too long, right?
That's special for the pipes and everything. Yep.
And then now you will connect this one for the faucet. Yeah, I like this one. Where can I buy this one? It's like oxygen. Oxygen, right? Oh, hold. you will put the water. So I'm going to the aquarium. This one here, there.
Todo bien.
Dijiste que es una toalla para el glue, ¿no?
No tenemos que ir para el mismo, ¿no?
Había una blanca.
¿Traes una amarilla?
Yo traje una blanca.
Ok, muchas
Creo que está ahí en la orilla del camión. Ahí en el piso la tiré, creo, ahí en el zacate.
No lo pases eso porque no está tan seguro eso.
Ok.
So what's this? The cover, right?
Yeah, the glass top.
The glass cover, glass panel, yeah. How many glass? 3 only?
4.
4?
4 glass cups.
Okay.
So this is the glass look like. Ay. Sorry.
Okay.
10 scopes?
Yeah.
10?
Sorry.
10 ml?
Sorry. For 5.
Yeah. So it's LED light, right?
Only use the scope, 5. Put on 1, 30. Put on the second, 60. Put on the second.
LED lights. We're going to put one more there to the other side. So the water is in the halfway now. That's the water. I still smell the glue.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You only check it out the dimension. Ya le puede abrir el agua.
So the water is already full. Now we're going the water down, going there. See?
One spider right here. Little spider.
I did.
Yeah. Killed.
Yeah. See, they're already now down in the water. See the filter going here. And it's from the top. Here. Going down here. And this is the motor. So this is the motor, that one. See, it's connected. So they already opened the filter, as you can see guys. So big.
Que rock.
There's the lights now, it's good. especially in the night, right?
Let me remove these. I'm bring the top and everything. I'm checking out one more time.
Yeah, the canopy.
Yeah.
So there's one more canopy in the top. So you see guys the lights, how it's good. It's very good lights. See? Oh yeah, I like it. It's beautiful.
Dito bulipan.
Huh?
Isda bukas pa.
After 2 days daw. The fish will be transferred after 2 days. So that's the final step, the canopy. That's the canopy.
Bueno, lo voy a poner yo y lo desliza. Dale. A ver, suavecito. No, espérame. Porque está. Oh, está la bala está aquí. Dame un segundo. No lo mueva.
So this is the final one. So the color is taupe with the canopy. So the fish will be transferred after 2 days. So there's LED lights. So the monthly on these guys is 200, 300, yeah. So the water maintenance not yet included. So this is the fish gallery, and the water maintenance like every 2 months around 339, and monthly if you choose monthly is 289. A little bit expensive, but you need to. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching.